rais nya team of discussions ki ODM. Nitie mana few elements mada ketho ODM. To kwa migi attention nikech gain more important than the party. Wami gimana attention nikech wanegwa expose their conmanship kwa mjopeni. One of those elements include Secretary General Jagoro ma niye kwa msani. Sifuna no Okinya winje ko criticize any leader from his community. Okinya winjo puki winjo ko uweyo kwa issues mag Nairobi kuma senator building moro no collapse juzi no ko uweyo kwa me Nitie fireman breakout Luthuli no ko uweyo kwa me lakini ka rais o keto statement moro ma political odi ko ndiko statements to uweyo kwa mgigo. Recently one example then rais no wecha Kalonzo ni Kalonzo no sebedo serikal Gapra Beach to kata yo ma kadho Seikuru no ko fix Sifuna uchunge another gathering owacho ni rais okunya criticize Kalonzo nikech roads are not the priority of the road that goes to your house or can priority and service delivery cannot be another funeral owacho ni Mbadima finance minister nikechinge Sifuna's biggest role not that the cabinet lakini he missed it so or made it his personal agenda to criticize the Germany government or what ni ne stuck in a road ma ni outside Mbadi's place or the road is not fixed. Otimatima the exact same thing. So Gimoda Timo, he's trying to establish a new constituency for himself. To wami attention mondwa expose this political chicanery. Mondo jopinyo nge exactly gima happen. Gima dhika. Chopa mono tere from that function. Don't uhuru stopper. So when we hear some of our leaders saying these things, all we want as young people one behind Dr. Oburu Oginga. But we will not relent. Yes, we have the time to both support Dr. Oburu Oginga, but also time to call out all the errant people. And even if we see any leader, be it from Luoland, Katakanye, we'll call them out with the exact same thing. The reason why Michael Sifuna and the spokesperson of the party, Okonya Rome, Kenya, making irresponsible, reckless statements, manya jeopardize our party. Obire party functions, give t-shirt ma pink. Obire party functions very casually. Kata oversight no. Or walk out, call you the chance. Mago the small issues, we will not tolerate as young people. So watch on here, we can do both support our party leader, who is not a stopgap leader. Nonsense MPG, watch on his for now. Dr. Oburu Oginga is a party leader until he vacates that office. Only for now. So we can do both that and call out these errant characters.
Ero kama na nyakine ndiye party ni nyakasanika mentiere mar ODM. Yekingi matota yenya ochomo twak kod UDM. To bedo dhi chopo kacha.
Awinjo ka ng'ato chako